So this is the entry and exit. Guys, if you remember a few minutes, we are going to have lunch now. This is where, and we can go down, I guess, but small port. You can see these chotu. What Neha? What Krish? What Neha? Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. So guys, good morning. This is day 2. We are right now in Daman still, Gujarat. And in Gujarat, and now we are going to have breakfast. We are late. They are like, go and have breakfast now. So we are rushing there to have breakfast at the earliest. तो बघू आजचा दिवस कसा जातो.
Yes, who I met. Get the video. Send me the video.
Who is she?
She is my sister's
Mother-in-law.
Satsuma.
Satsuma.
What a coincidence. Somewhere or the other.
Did she recognize you? Did she recognize you?
No, I recognized her. I recognized her. She's walking past me. I'm like, hello, auntie. Here. And she's just looking like that in 2 minutes. What are you? Chasma. Auntie's getting young, I'm getting old.
So auntie is having a breakfast here.
Breakfast? Okay, I'll send you the video.
Chalo, let's go and have.
What time we are leaving, right?
I don't know what time is the checkout.
We leave after.
ठीक है, चल.
Raw fresh hotel निकल. Okay.
Let's have breakfast is kept there. Let's have.
What is there in Gujarat?
अंडा भी है.
That's something.
What?
Donut. Where did you find donut?
Donut? वो cupcakes है ना उसके नीचे. So guys, this is what we are having for breakfast. It's too noisy here. I don't know whether the vlog is picking up our audio or not. Okay, chalo. What are you having? Bread and ये.
My favorite.
Oh, she's got tea. Thank you so much. All right, let's have.
Cereal.
No, you have. Thank you.
Juice.
No thanks.
Bread and omelette.
That I'm having. Bread. I've toasted my bread, so I'll have that.
And my favorite sabudana.
Enjoy. हाँ साबुदाना ही है ना? यहाँ पे चलो.
I have almost finished everything. Hey Rich, क्या लिखा है?
Lemon tea.
लेमन टी. सब खाने के बाद लेमन टी.
This is with honey.
Your honey is at home, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
नंबर है ना. खत्म ही नहीं होगा.
Awesome.
If it is not sweet enough to put sugar.
Sugar. No, not putting refined sugar. फायदा नहीं है कुछ भी. So everybody has finished eating. The couple is over there. See. Cool, nice place. Finished eating. Let's rock and roll. You finish your tea?
We are about to leave. Checkout done. Lolly has left his home. So इंटर में पानी भरता है. Because I keep on washing the windsheet. चलो भरा ही है.
Good. You don't put the soap inside or what?
Already है.
Already है ना?
Soap already डाला है.
Cool. Looks like freaking we are in some outside country. Look here. किसने बोला इंडिया अच्छा नहीं है? That's the property. मेरा कंगी. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, let's go.
There was a wedding. Done. Now we are heading towards. So where are you going next?
घर पे.
मेरा
I'm
घर.
missing my family, so I have to go back.
Same over here. Nash is so asking for you and me both.
Ah,
Uncle, where's
Nash-
uncle?
Nash को
Uncle.
एक round घुमाएगा मैं before leaving.
Yeah.
So right now we are going to his place, and then from there I'll just take a fatafat round for Nash, and then I will leave for Navi Mumbai. Baby is in Nerul, so I'll go there quickly.
Cool.
Chalo,
Let's
go.
rock and roll. We'll show you the property for the last time. Awesome. And let's go.
So guys, before leaving, we thought we'll show you this place. Coming time yesterday, we had showed it to you only from the side. So we thought we'll stop and show you the entire place. It is still a low tide. So had there been water, that had there been a high tide, it would have looked beautiful. So let's see. Lolly is coming. He's getting the stand and coming.
I found stone.
Where? एक ही दो है? दो है? Sir. So the reason, okay, I'll tell you what he's getting. He'll get it and show it to you guys. And look at this. नहीं रे, नहीं जा सकते, नीचे जगह है ही नहीं. See, this is why I'm saying there is a low tide.
From 2 days it is low tide.
From 2 days, yes. And you can see this is the place that they are made for seating. So you all can sit as well, watch the view. Only difference is there is no high tide. Had it been a high tide, I guess we would have hit the waves. And we can go down, I guess, but I don't want to. It's too risky. We have a lot of shows coming up. Our clients have trusted us. So we can't even do many things. We wanted to go for a swim too. But again, the conditions of tanning and also AC and then again hot, AC again hot will affect us. So we are not going. But look at this, yeah, beautiful view. थोड़ा enlarge करके दिखाता हूँ. Now we'll do some photo shoot here. So guys, we thought of exploring Daman since we are here. Where next we're coming, God knows. So we're looking out for places. We are googling it and we found many places close by. So we're going to do a very short Daman, darshan. And first up, we are stopping at this place called as the Saint Jerome Fort. This fort was built by the Portuguese, and it was actually after the Mughal invasion in the year 1600s that they built this fort. And this fort is named after a priest, Saint Jerome. So we don't know where the entry is and all that stuff, but first I'll show you the outside of the place. It looks good, and it's a port as well. So all the Portuguese, they used to come in ports. They used to come in their ships, and this is where their port was. Park the car here. Lolly is there inside, and this is the port. Small port. You can see these chotu boats, and this is Saint Jerome Fort, Daman, built by the Portuguese. You can see the cross there. The sole purpose was not to have any conversions or something like that. The sole purpose was just to, if any invasion comes in, just to protect themselves. Now we are searching for a route inside to explore it inside. There are a lot of construction work happening, so I don't know what the scenario is. So let's check it out.
Hey public. So we went to the site, but not allowed in because
Restoration work is
going on and it is shut down also, Sabi. So he told to go to New Daman or something like that.
Correct.
So
There's this another church as well and a lighthouse, so they're telling us to explore that. So
That's
let's
right.
see. We are all working on using Google Map and doing everything. So let's see how it works.
over the way, let's go over there. When we reach over there, we'll let you know what this
Yes.
is. If you don't reach over there, you'll not see anything. Okay? Bye.
So guys, the earlier fort we couldn't go inside as Lolly had told you all because there's a lot of renovation work going on, and we've got an amazing place, and that is Bomb Jesus Church. You can see there is there right behind, and we have parked the car. Pay and park, always the best, safest. So there is parking right next to the church, so you can go and park your car. It's just for 30 rupees, and there's also a garden here. So we'll explore both of them. First we'll go to the church and then we'll go to the garden. So stay tuned and enjoy what we're going to show you next. So apparently no photography is allowed inside. So this is what I can show you all. Nothing more. So we went to the church and we came out. Photography, videography not allowed inside the church, and of course you need to also keep your footwear outside. So in case you're planning to visit this place, please make sure you keep your footwear in the car, because we can't trust other people out here. You know, anybody can just rob in and take the shoes, and depending on what shoes you wear as well.
Dude, we can't go in.
What?
Going pets are not allowed.
We'll just take a walk in this garden.
Bokai, bokai.
बोका है, भाव भी नहीं दे रहे.
ऐसा ही, बोका लोग ऐसा ही.
So this is the garden. We are just going for a stroll. We couldn't explore the church properly, but we can explore this garden. ये क्या है? This is all for couples or what? अच्छा seating ये है. ठीक है, just a garden, और कुछ है नहीं रे इसमें.
कुछ नहीं.
So we'll explore the other place. We'll explore. So right now we are inside this fort also. So inside the fort there's the church, and as you can see, this is the garden. And now we'll just explore the place out here. क्योंकि हम लोग ने 30 rupees parking space दिया है. This is the government house, like really beautiful place. I'm doing it fast because videos are not allowed. Rodney is walking. Do you think it's part of the church or something?
No, I don't think that's part of the church. मेरे को लग रहा था पहला.
हाँ.
I don't think so. But if they're doing restoration of this, वो भी करना चाहिए ना फिर वो लोग.
हाँ, they should.
Things are falling apart over there थोड़ा बहुत. That's it.
And ये कौन सा tree लग रहा है? Banyan. Oh, gives us good shade
Shade and oxygen
and oxygen. Yeah.
at night time.
We are just checking that other part. If you can see, there's a fort type entry. It's an exit actually. So you just want to see what happens on the other side. We were wondering actually which fort we are actually roaming inside, and we got to know the information. It's the fort of Moti Daman. So if you want, you can read it in depth here. I've put up the entire history. You can check it out yourself. And if you want to see this, we are exactly standing right under it. This is where that is. So this is the entry and exit points of the fort basically. We entered on the other side. We parked the car and we walked all the way here. And this is how we got the information. It's quite hidden, so I guess they need to work on that. So guys, if you remember a few minutes earlier in this vlog, we had showed you that we were at Saint Jerome and there was a lighthouse on the other end and all. So we have come to the other end and we took an entire round and we have come in. So it took us, the entire round took in 15 minutes. And we were not allowed to go inside there because of renovation work. So from here you can see there's a church inside as well. Look at that. We were standing where these guys are actually riding the bikes. We were standing there, and that is under renovation at the moment. So once that is done, we all can check it out once you visit Daman. Right now we are planning to go to the lighthouse there. It's a bit of walking. Lolly does not like walking, but we have parked the car far away. We have no other option. We'll go towards the chow, but that chow will only end over there. Uske baad dekhna padega. This is what I hate. You're just ruining up the entire heritage site. Just check this out. What rubbish is this? What Neha? What Krish? What Neha? What is this nonsense, yaar? ये फोर्ट में लगे तो मस्त हम लोग ब्यूटीफाई कर रहे हैं जगह. दिस इज व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. सुमू बिहार कुछ भी. नव्या है क्या अभी भी एग्जिस्टिंग लाइफ में तुम लोग का? हॉरिबल. Such a beautiful place and they have screwed it up. And that's the lighthouse. Oh, nice. Look at that. And that's the entire view. Beautiful. We're going to have lunch now. This is where we've got a place. So let's go.
We gotta make it with our own hands. We gotta make it with our own hands.
Chalo, yeah.
You know, I have simple food.
Guys, it's a pure veg place, something that we don't enjoy. So we are not going to have our lunch here. We'll go maybe dhaba somewhere on the highway. I guess Daman does not want us to eat. Honestly, we searched for 3 places. We went to 3 places. 2 places were shut down. One place that we finally got turns out to be veg. So sorry boss, not having. We are going to the highway and having our dhaba food. Let's go. So they just did the checking. You all saw rigorous checking that we had to show them what all we got, what all. But they didn't check the license only. They just wanted to check whether we are smuggling anything.
You are smuggling me.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go now. So we stopped in for our break. We drove for 2.5 hours, and now we have reached McDonald's. It's a drive-through. We ordered, but then we wanted to pee, so we rushed inside. We went to the washroom, came back, and of course they are getting all that stuff. I'll just show it to you. Thank you. I'll hold that. Love you have to hold one.
Thank you.
Thank you. सब आया we'll see. ये है ना वही रहेगा cold coffee. I've got Coke. We have got some burgers, nuggets, fries. That's it. Let's go and hog now.
Yes.
So we'll show you what all we have purchased. This is Coke. We have cold coffee for
Without
Arun.
sugar and without whipped cream.
Chicken nuggets, my favorite. And of course, McChicken burger, fries.
Rice.
Yeah, put your fries there. There are peri peri stuff. There are ये
Gojo.
burger. इसका packet fries. तेरा peri peri है. तेरा large है. I always go for large fries.
Is the same. Medium and large.
बहुत फर्क है. They have given us extra fries. देखा क्या? For the race. Mustard sauce and nuggets, the best combination, honestly. Look who's come. We reached Marol. Look who's here.
हाँ भाई गजरा नहीं चाहिए. गजरा नहीं बेचने के.
Where किधर इतना घंटा तुम लोग drive what is wrong?
अरे crazy we explore Daman.
You should travel more towards. क्या?
हेलो हम लोग का गाड़ी चेक हुआ पूरा निकालो दिखाओ क्या है अंदर. Then they came inside the car. They saw they were checking everything. अरे crazy. They checked our bag. They checked even our suitcases. यही भी check किया.
Because of the boys ना.
अरे 1 minute. Boys नहीं boy. मेरे को कभी नहीं पकड़ते. ये दोनों टाइम पकड़ा. जाने के वक्त आने के वक्त सब टाइम पकड़ा. Then हाँ चल चाय के लिए. We are coming. We boys are talking and coming.
ये मेरा बैग लेके जाना.
बहुत डेंजर.
So guys, we have reached home.
Yeah, I've dropped him home. Now I'm on my way to pick up baby. She is in her mom's place.
Also known as Pooja.
Yeah, so I'll go there now. And but before that, I'm going to pick up my father-in-law. Daddy is somewhere here in Andheri, Vellapalla. So I'll go and pick him up from there, and then we'll head home. Lorry, we had a great time.
Awesome.
Amazing Daman trip that we had. We did our show. We got money. And we roamed as well. So in all, one of the best trips that we had. I'm a bit tired, but then I need to go and do the other work that's still pending, and a lot of calls. Season has begun, so it's going to be hectic for both of us. So
We are meeting on Saturday again.
we're meeting on Saturday
but-
and Sunday
Sunday,
again. Again. So let's see how it goes. So bye, Baba.
Bye, take care.
Yeah.
I'll see you all.
Yes.
Sure then.
Chalo. Bye. Bye.
We will end the vlog inside the car.
Yeah.
Okay?
Later on once I reach home.
Yes. Bye.
So I'm right outside the Parley company. I've come here to pick up my father-in-law. So we are all going together, and there he is. Here he's come. Daddy is here. Hi, Daddy.
I will show you trophy.
That's right.
I will show you one sample.
Businessman will always have a business mind. So Daddy is like, let me show you the trophies. आराम से आराम अंदर भी रख सकते हो पहले आराम से.
I will show you यार ये
So as you all know, Daddy has a trophy business, and this is what
this
he's.
is trophy.
Let me show you the other side properly. 1 minute.
Yeah, this is trophy I made for Udaipur Parle-Ji.
Oh wow.
This is copper finishing. I had made platinum trophies, gold trophies, silver and copper.
Oh, all that. Yeah, nice, nice, good. Kitna in total? How many trophies in all?
Total 13 trophies.
Oh, 13 trophies. Nice,
But
nice.
amount is more.
that is fine. वो business ऐसा ही है. एक भी करेगा तो भी बहुत बड़ी बात. That's how business is.
Since last 25 years I am doing business.
What is the name of the this?
Parle-Ji Biscuit Company.
No. What is the name of your
My
business?
company's name is Pooja
Company,
Creations.
yeah.
And-
Pooja Creations.
and
Are,
Pooja
that's
is
a-
my elder daughter.
Ah, yes,
Your
yes.
wife.
My wife, yes.
Yes.
माझी बाइको.
Chalo,
ठीक है,
thank you
चलो.
very
We'll go now. You're going home.
much. Okay.
I'll just change and wear. I want to wear lens. I want to wear specs. मैंने lens डाला है कब से. मैं change करता हूँ. So guys, after that I couldn't record any video. My battery died, and then I dropped Daddy home and picked up baby, and then we left for our house. And it was a tiring journey, of course, because the entire day we explored Daman, and then came back to Bombay. Then we traveled in Mumbai as well, so it was a bit tiring, exhausting, and just dozed off to sleep. So असा होता आमचा पूर्ण डमनचा व्लॉग. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.